If your product is great, customers will come back on their own. That's what we tell ourselves, right? But here's the truth, they won't. Think about the last time you meant to call someone back, reply to an email, or make a purchase, but life got in the way. Your customers are no different. The difference between a lost sale and a loyal customer isn't just in what you offer, it's in how you follow up. So, how do the most successful businesses nail their follow up strategy without being pushy, ignored, or forgotten? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Most businesses either follow up too soon and feel desperate, or wait too long and lose the sale. But the best? They follow a simple rule. First touch point. Follow up within 24-48 hours while the interest is high. Second touch point. Add value, not just checking in. Offer a helpful tip, a relevant article, or a personalized solution. Third touch point. Keep it personal. Mention past conversations or specific pain points to show you actually care. For example, let's say you run a home inspection business. Instead of just emailing a quote, follow up with, "Hey John, I noticed your property is older. Here's a checklist of common issues to watch for. Let me know if you'd like to go over it together." This keeps the conversation going without sounding salesy. One business that has mastered follow ups is a small, family owned pest control company. Here's what they do differently: they segment their follow ups, sending a quick text reminder after a quote, an educational email a week later, and a final check in before customers book. They use multiple channels. Some people respond better to texts, others prefer calls or emails. They treat follow ups as a service, not a sales pitch, like reminding customers about seasonal pest issues before they even realize they need help. The result? Higher conversion rates, more repeat customers, and almost zero ghosting. Following up isn't about nagging, it's about being there when your customer is ready to buy. Now, if you want a proven system to take your follow ups to the next level, grab my Care Formula Guide. It's linked below. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned, because in the next video, we're uncovering the biggest follow up mistakes that even experienced salespeople make and how to fix them. Click the link below to get your guide and start turning follow ups into sales.